Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rear caster wheel in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a hacksaw, a power drill with a drill bit just a bit larger than your cotter pin, a punch, a hammer, and a pair of side cutters. Also, we would need a wise grip. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new rear caster wheel. To complete this job, we will also need to order a new rear caster wheel axle. The part number for the rear caster wheel axle is DA61-04703A, as in boy. We can also get this part at AppliancePartsPros.com. The rear caster wheel allows the refrigerator to be easily rolled in and out. If the rear caster wheel jams, preventing the fridge from rolling, it has to be replaced. To get to the part, we need to lift the side of the fridge and install the support underneath of it. Make sure it's not going anywhere. I'm going to use the side cutters to grab the other end of the axle so it would move while I'm cutting it off. And then we're going to cut it off with the hacksaw. Okay, now we can pull that old axle out and free the wheel. Free the wheelie! That's the axle. That's what I was talking about, that bent end of the axle. Okay, let's get a new one. This is the old rear caster wheel next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. As you can see on the old axle, this end was squeezed at the factory by heavy machinery. We don't have this thing here, and probably you don't also. So what we do, we're going to drill the hole here and put a cotter pin through. We need to drill the hole approximately 1/4 inch away from the end of the pin. See that because there's a solid metal starch there. So we're going to use a wise grips. I'm going to tighten it. And then we're going to use the punch and the hammer to mark the spot. So it's going to be easier for us to drill the hole. And now we're going to use the power drill with a drill bit just a bit larger than the cotter pin. Let's check if it's going to go through. Perfect. Now I'm going to bring a new rear caster wheel and we're going to slide the axle in, sliding that axle through. And now we're going to place the cotter pin through the hole that we drilled earlier. And then we're going to use the side cutters, and we're going to spread the ends of the cutter pin. And now we're going to cut the extras with the side cutters. Now we can lower down the fridge. Alright, now we're going to tilt the fridge a little more and remove the support blocks. Now we can lower the fridge down. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.